dumplings. A visitor we have.
Hello, Master Obi.
Master Obi.
I'm not your failure.
Obi-Wan.
Obi-Wan Kenobi. Is he a relative of yours? Do you know who he's talking about?
Obi-Wan Kenobi.
What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel, and what we came to talk about here in today's video is two penny stocks that is currently under $1 that can double your money here this week. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, and that is BURU stock. If you're currently holding it, can you please comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below? I did alert this stock over in our Discord server just last Wednesday, back on September 30th, for the entry price of only 15 cents. And if you take a brief look and check out today's price action, the stock has ultimately reached a high of 76 cents. And I do feel as though that the stock has more room to run here this week. Stick around. I'm going to be giving you my end of the week price prediction. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out PCSA, another stock that I alerted over in our Discord server for the entry price of only 34 cents, which I alerted here just 2 days ago, ladies and gentlemen. And if we take a brief look and check out that price action, as you guys can see here, the stock ultimately reached a high of 69 cents here this morning. And this is also another penny stock under $1, which I do feel as though stands a very great chance to double your money here this week. Stick around for this price prediction as well, but before we do so, don't forget to smash that like button. It really does help the channel grow. And if you do want to sign up for the Discord, remember the sign up link will be pinned in the comment section below. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video is BURU. Again, if you're currently holding it, please comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below. Now if we go back to the day chart, as you guys can see here, this thing does seem severely overbought, of course, but with today's news, what caused today's pre-market price action, currently seeing that high again of 76 cents. I do feel as though that we're going to see a positive reaction to the opening share price here in BURU. Today's high price prediction, I do feel as though the stock stands a very great chance to actually cross those 84 cent levels here, with the floor being around 72 cents throughout the trading day. Looking at yesterday's short sell analysis was extremely high in comparison to what we did see here in total short volume the previous day. That short sale ratio isn't as high as we were seeing here in the past, but in comparison to total short volume is a drastic jump, coming from 19 million in total short volume here on Monday. Yesterday, Tuesday, 53 million, which means it is a huge amount of short positions still lingering here in BURU. And what today's pre-market price action does make the perfect storm for a opening, to see a price action, positive reaction to the open here in BURU here on today's trading end of the week price prediction for BURU. I do feel as though that stock stands a very great chance to actually cross those $1.40 levels, especially if we continue to see the heavy shorting go on here in BURU. Last but not least, we're going to talk about PCSA. Again, if you're holding this stock, comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below. I want to see which stock is currently being held by majority of the viewers. But if we go back to today's short sell yesterday's short sell analysis, coming in at 16.34 million. The day before, only 1.4 million, and this short sell ratio did jump. So the likelihood of a short cover taking place here in PCSA here today is more likely to happen. That net inflow and favorment, not much, just only 190,000. But for a stock like PCSA, that is a huge increase to previous days. Now that market cap is extremely low, so we tend to actually see this thing move vastly. So if we do come into we do see retracement here on today's trading, guys, things can get very, very out of hand, and we may actually see halts if that does take place. But I do see a positive reaction happening in PCSA here today as well. We're seeing huge neutral orders come across the board here currently in today's pre-market trading, which is also a great sign here today. If we do take a brief look and check out that active buy and active sell here currently for today's pre-market, as you guys can see here, that active buy is extremely high. We do want to see these numbers continue to outpace that active sell heading into the open, which will set the perfect storm for a positive reaction here at the opening share price. My end of the day price prediction here for PCSA stands around 88 cents, and my end of the week price prediction here in PCSA is right around $1.58, especially if we continue to see this high shorting go on here in PCSA. I do feel as though that we're going to see yet another short cover take place here today. So with that being said, guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you won't miss out on home run plays like you see here today. I alerted UPC here yesterday for the NG price of only $5.45. And if we take a brief look and check out today's price action, as you guys can see here, the stock ultimately hit a high of that 15.39. And again, if you too want to be a part of this Discord so you can catch all of my alerts in real time, that sign up link is pinned in the comment section below. And see you guys soon.